All right, so we are at the Proven Winners Trial Gardens. This is the next stop after Spring Meadows Nursery. And as soon as we get off the bus here, hydrangeas, and more hydrangeas down that way. So this is looking pretty amazing. This is pretty awesome. Can't wait to show you guys everything that is back here. Look at all this, just beautiful. So this is definitely something that I'm looking forward to tomorrow, because I think there's gonna be a golden hour photo shoot opportunity that I'm gonna be able to come out here and do. But man, just look at all this. You got all kinds of hydrangeas everywhere. You got macrophylla hydrangeas. You got a vining hydrangea. Look at that. That whole tree right there, filled completely with that vining hydrangea. Beautiful looking, amazing. So I'm gonna keep walking around, show you guys everything else that's in here. All right, so I spoke too soon. I said when I entered this this garden here, I was amazed by the entrance of it, but I can't, just watch. Yeah, that is, wow. It is just, it goes and goes and goes. It is awesome. And then you got the water in the background. What more do you want? It is amazing. I'm gonna keep going. All right, so as I am making my way through this garden, I can't exactly show you any names or any specifics to what these plants are, because I'm not allowed to. It's a trial garden. But it is just amazing how much hydrangeas in here. Like I said, when I first came in here, it's just absolutely beautiful, and it goes on and on and on back there. The rest of the crowd is going back there, but it's just absolutely amazing. Everything looks so green and lush and beautiful. The hydrangeas have some beautiful color, but as it was explained to me, just because they look great right now doesn't mean they always make the cut. These are the ones that unfortunately don't make it sometimes. Let me brighten up a little bit. Some of these don't make it. They get cut from production. They don't make it. So this is the trial garden. They test them to see how they do here in this cool weather and in the shade and in the sun. But it's just amazing to be able to see how much effort goes into making sure all these hydrangeas either make it or don't make it. But man, look at that. God, it's just beautiful. Roses, roses, and more roses. As Angie would say, this is my mole right here. And by mole, I mean I love roses. These are all absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. My God. Can you see this? I mean, I'm still in amazement as to how much is actually going on here. It is just wild. It is wild what is growing in here and how beautiful most of this stuff looks. All right, so real quick, I wanted to share with you, I was just told that the trails in this trial garden are actually the trails from the root of a tree that grows out this way. As you can see, they go a couple different ways. Some going this way, the way they're cut. Look at that. This is a great part of the garden. Awesome to see everything growing in here. Again, I wish I can get into details with everything and show you everything that's actually growing in here, but unfortunately there's some things we can't take pictures of up close. I can take them from a distance, but nothing to show you or give you any identification as to what it is. So I'm gonna continue here because these trails are pretty awesome. Just walk through them and see what else is growing out there because it just looks absolutely beautiful. So it's been a very eventful and awesome day. I have no words to really describe it. I mean, just look at the life out here. Look at this. Right here by the trial gardens, there's people going by in jet skis. I mean, it's just amazing how big this place is and how much it has to offer and everything that is going on here. The plants, the trials, just everything that's growing here. I mean, it's huge. I think I'm actually lost because it's free time right now to explore the gardens, and I'm just walking around, and I feel like I'm lost in nothing but beautiful, beautiful landscape and plants. I mean, it's amazing. No words to describe it. I wish Angie was here to experience this because it's an experience like no other. I know we will get to come out here one day together again and be able to see all this stuff, but it's absolutely amazing. I mean, at the end of a tour earlier, I got to walk around with Marshall Dirks, who is works with Prune Winters, and Dell, who owns a property here. He actually owns Spring Meadows Nursery, and very great conversations. Just there was maybe 5 of us, I think, total, who stayed back while everybody else was done and had some conversation about other plants that he was growing and things that were going on in the garden. Like I said, and I keep repeating it, I can't share a lot of stuff that's growing here, unfortunately, because it's all trial stuff, but it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful and wonderful. And, it's just amazing at, the work that's put into everything that is growing around here. I mean, everywhere you look, it's something beautiful. I mean, just look at that. Where else are you gonna be able to see this? I think there's one in front of the house that he said he planted when he started Spring Meadows, 17 years old, and it was growing up all along the tree there in front of the house. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely wonderful. I know I'm moving the camera around quite a bit, but I'm just amazed by everything. Every time I walk through here, I'm just seeing something new. Every single time. I can't show you tags, but it's just absolutely beautiful, everything that's going on here. But I just wanted to, share this with you guys because it's just awesome. It's amazing. So tomorrow, I believe, there's gonna be some time to put up the drone and fly it over the trial gardens, which I'm pretty stoked about. So that's gonna be exciting to be able to do and show you guys from above what the trial gardens looks like because I'm excited. Tomorrow's golden hour as well. I'll bring the tripod out because I didn't bring my tripod today, even though I kind of had a feeling we're gonna have some time to be out here. So I'll bring the tripod tomorrow, maybe set it up by the river there and try to catch something. But other than that, try to take more photos of these plants. I don't know how many more photos I can take. I don't want to bombard you guys with these photos, but I have a feeling that you guys won't care. I have a feeling that you guys want to see everything that we have to offer, especially coming from the trial gardens here. And then, the footage I took at Spring Meadows Nursery, absolutely amazing to be able to see all that stuff behind the scenes, what's going on. You got to talk to a few people off camera about what they do and how they do it. And it's just amazing. It's awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I definitely hope you watch. I hope you enjoy it. Please share this video because you're not gonna get any kind of content like this anywhere else. So that's really gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.